Today we discuss about the lesson 3 bones and muscles, and topic is muscles and types of muscles. But before that we discuss about the homework those are given in previous online class. Now see homework. As you know that I have given homework in on 11th July. Read and revise the explained topics of lesson 3. I hope you have revised in proper way and also read. But you know that I remind again, most of the student in comment box not send name, class and section. I request you, and I told many times, please in comment box you have write name, class and section for attendance. So always keep in mind. Thank you. Okay student, now we discuss about the muscles. Bones cannot move their own. They need muscles. Without muscles, bones cannot move. And in our body, near about 650 muscles are found, and they are different types. Without muscles, bones cannot move. Here, two muscles are required for the movement in bones, and two type of actions: relaxation and contraction. Contract and relax. And muscles pull the, not push, pull the bones, not push. Okay. And suppose contraction and relax. Contract and relax. Contract and relax are responsible for the movement in bones. On the basis of working of types of working and their structures of muscles, muscles are three types. First, skeletal muscles. Second, smooth muscles, and third, cardiac muscles. First, we discuss about the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are found in between the skin and bones, and they move at our will. At some activities like running, walking, playing, laughing, eating, muscles, you know that skeletal muscles move at our will. So this is a voluntary muscles. This is the voluntary muscle. Muscles that move at our will are called voluntary muscles. And you know that skeletal muscles are used in running, eating, playing, etc. Now next, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the wall of stomach, wall of stomach, wall of intestine, Okay, and they cannot control our will. Means smooth muscles, involuntary muscles form. Involuntary. Involuntary muscles that move without our will are called smooth muscles. Uh, See the diagram. The stomach and wall of stomach here in inner side, smooth muscles found. Smooth muscles, and in wall of intestine also smooth muscles found. And next and last, cardiac muscles. In cardiac muscles also, this one here, involuntary muscles, and they cannot control our will. They can move without our will. And cardiac muscles found in heart. And you know that heart work in continuously without any disturbance. In heart, cardiac muscles are found. They move without our will. This is structure of suppose. And here cardiac muscles. Now we discuss about the differences between voluntary and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles move at our will. Voluntary muscles move at our will. Example, skeletal muscles move at our will, and smooth skeletal muscles found in our hand, in our leg, in other body parts. Okay, and they found in between the skin and bones. And next is involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles move without at our will, and such type of muscles found in heart and wall of stomach and wall of intestine. That is how do muscles work. How do muscles work? Muscles work in pair. Contraction and expansion. I take the one example here. See carefully. Suppose this is our hand. See, this is our hand. When we lift our hand, and this portion, this is a contraction process here, contraction, and here this side expansion. But when we our hand go the below side, and then here contraction in place of contraction is a relaxation, expansion, and here contraction. Just contraction, they pull the muscles, and due to contraction pull the muscles, then we lift our hand this way. and in this way here contraction and here relaxation. Okay, and such type of muscles work in proper way. Now see the different muscles. First here you see here, this is the skeletal muscles. In skeletal muscles found in our hand, in our leg, in other body parts. Okay, see carefully, this is the structure of skeletal muscles. Now this is stomach. You know that in stomach smooth muscles are found. Here high resolution diagrams are shown here. Stomach, and this is in stomach involuntary muscles also found, smooth muscles also. Now next this is intestine. You know that in wall of intestine smooth muscles found, and this is a type of involuntary muscles. They move without our will, at our will. This is the structure of smooth muscles found in intestine, large intestine as well as small intestine. Structure of heart. You know that in a heart voluntary muscles found, and you know that cardiac muscles work continuously since our birth. The contraction and expansion of cardiac muscles count one heartbeat. Okay, this is the structure of heart, and you know that in heart cardiac muscles are found. Okay, see carefully this diagram. Yes. Now all students, now you have take one copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 3, bones and muscles, of date 13th July. Read and revise the explained topics of lesson 3. You know that in this video we have discussed about the muscles and type of muscles and how do muscles work. So you have revised in proper way. Okay, and I remind again all of you, in comment box you have write name, class and section. This is a very important for attendance. So all student, you have write name, class and section in comment box every day after watching video. When you complete the video, and then in comment box you have write name and class and section, and whatever you got the homework, and daily you have complete the homework in proper way. Okay, and also follow the government rule, and stay in home, not necessary. If very necessary, then move outside, but stay home and stay safe. Thank you.